Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis many times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, and nothing has really changed. And what do I mean by overall? Well, for those of you that have watched the past videos, then hopefully you remember that from the bigger picture perspective, again, overall, the price is just trapped inside of this channel right now. Bottom of the channel being down here at 42 cents. Top of the channel being down here at 48 cents. So from a grander picture of things, yeah, I mean, right now the price just continues to fluctuate back and forth, back and forth. So that's kind of the backdrop right now, is that, yeah, nothing has really changed from the chart. Now, looking at everything individually today, yeah, a disappointing day given there was the gap down and then the price spent the first 30 minutes really actually, getting hammered pretty good. But to give full credit where credit's due, after that opening 30 minutes where the price got, shoved to the downside, the price did a good job of leveling off. And then from that point, recovered up nicely to start to grind back upwards. So today, yeah, not a great day really at all, but it could have been a whole lot worse. And I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that, had the opening 30 minutes just, produce something like this where the price spent the remainder of the day just bleeding downwards, that's a much different chart. That's me coming here and talking about, yeah, the price is still within the overall channel, but it's getting close to potentially breaking through 42 cents. So you might want to, but I mean, that's not what I'm talking about at all, right? I mean, it's overall because of the nice, bounce back to the upside. The day wasn't good, don't get me wrong, with the gap down and all that. But the price still did recover nicely. So overall, from the bigger picture point of view, the price is still within the big picture channel. And that's what really matters. So if there is going to be any sort of continued, movement back to the upside and the bulls are ever going to get a worthwhile move, then again, that is where 48 cents comes into play, that key level of resistance, which is the top portion of that channel. So like I said, big picture, everything is still totally fine. Today, individually, in and of itself, not the best day, but by no means was it a collapse or anything like that. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.